Hello, folks. Here I am again with another super tip on IELTS exam. This super tip is going to boost your IELTS score on writing task. These super tips apparently look very basic, but they're extremely useful. They are simple yet highly effective. Follow along with me in these videos and you will learn how to grab the attention of examiner and how to get the full marks or boost your IELTS score. So without further ado, let me reveal today's super tip. Today's super tip on IELTS writing is the use of synonym. So what is a synonym? Synonym is a word that conveys a similar meaning of another word. Let's look at two simple plain sentences and convert them into rich sentences by using synonym. He parked the car. I'm happy you're staying with me. Now pay attention to the rich sentences. He parked the vehicle. So we replace car with vehicle. I'm glad you're staying with me. We replaced happy with glad. That's how you can create rich sentences by using synonym. Practice time. And here we have 4 sentences. You are beautiful, replace beautiful with another synonym more impactful. I have enough water to survive. Replace enough with another better synonym. You can select any car from our showroom. Replace select with another powerful synonym. We are in a bad situation. Replace bad with another better synonym. So, get the idea? It's all about creating powerful, impactful, rich sentences so you can grab the attention of examiner and boost your IELTS writing score. So what's the super tip? Use synonyms in your writing. In the next video, I'm going to share another super tip on IELTS writing. And after that super tip, my next video will be on creating beautiful, impactful, attention-grabbing sentences by using these super tips. Until then, take good care of yourself and see you in the next video.